Okay, today we're at Lake Norman MarineMax with the Yamaha FSH 222 Sportfish center console. We'll start at the front. Tons of seating, tons of storage under both cabinets. As we make our way to the back, got the fishing stand, tons of storage again, cabinets on both sides with trash cans. Same as the other side. We lift the console. You have a changing station or just a way to get out of the sun for a few minutes. Rod holders on both sides and on both sides of the T-top. We'll walk into the console. Dual high output engines on this model, info screen, wireless phone charger, as well as Bluetooth stereo. The cockpit seat can be forced either way. You can sit here or lean while you're driving, fish off the rear. Huge platform on the rear with live well. Tons of cup holders and rod holders. Also rod holders off the back of the T-top with the canopy cover. Check this Yamaha out as well as many other models here at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thanks.